Do you love maths? Me too. Let's fun together. Simple tips and tricks to decide when to multiply and when to divide. Use multiplication when 1. The question asks how much in total. 2. You are given one item or one day's amount, and you need the total for many. 3. Clue words each day, every, per hour. For X weeks, total in many days, how many in all? Examples like, in 1 hour convert into in a day, then multiply. Multiply by the number of hours in a day 24. 4,726 milliliters each day convert into 25 days, then multiply. Multiply by the number of days 25. 1440 minutes per day convert into 8 weeks, and then multiply. Multiply by the total number of days in 8 weeks, 87. Use division 1. 1. The question asks, how much is 1? Or, how many groups? 2. You are given a total and need to find each one or number of groups. 3. Clue words, each shared, per person. Each child, each friend, how many boxes, how many hours? Examples like, divide to find how many bags each child gets. Divide to find how many pieces of that length can be cut. Divide to find how many full boxes can be filled. Divide to find each doctor's share of the cost. Divide by 60 to convert minutes into hours. Divide to find how much each friend pays. Still wondering for tips and tricks? It's fine to ask for more clarification. We are here for you. Super simple trick sentences, tips and tricks. If you are given 1 and asked for many, then multiply. If you are given a total and asked for 1, then divide. If something is shared or split equally, then divide. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends, classmates, or fellow teachers so they can solve story sums faster and more confidently.